Hi everyone. This short video is going to walk you through some of the forms you have already seen prior to taking this course. But I just want you to fully understand the forms you're seeing so you can be as involved in the educational and course process as you would like to be. This form was your transcript evaluation, or also known as the articulation agreement, that got sent to you as we reviewed your transcripts here at Northwestern to compare the courses that you are transferring in with your associate degree that you have earned with what we require here for our program. So this is just kind of for your information. There's nothing more you need to do with this. And for some, it can be confusing because for some, you need a course in every slot here, and some not every one needs to be completed. But you will see if we did accept a course for you for one that is required, you will see a core under the transfer course equivalency section, you will see that course filled in. If you think you have taken a course and you do not see it marked on this form, make sure you let us know and we can verify that you got credit for everything that you have taken. The courses that are not marked on this form are the ones that you will need to complete while you are here at Northwestern. Once you have reviewed this form, when it was sent to you, there is a signature place on this form. So you need to find the email where you received this document, print out the form that is signed by our department chair, make sure that you sign it, and then there's a spot where you need to re-upload that back into this course. For some, you can scan it and upload it. For other people, if you just take a picture and upload the picture, that works as well. But it is part of the requirements that you sign this form in agreement with the courses that need to be completed while you are here in the program. The other page, or the last page that was on that, is known as your plan of study. So once your coursework, or the first part of this form, is completed, then someone within the Department of Nursing will fill out this plan of study for you. This lays out the courses in the order in which they will need to be taken or can be taken. Some of them need to be taken in a specific order, and others can be taken whenever they fit into your schedule. Almost all of the courses that you will see that are offered here at Northwestern are 8-week courses. And so you will take one the first 8 weeks of a semester and another one the second 8 weeks of the semester. The only one that is not like that is the Chemistry 108. So if you need to take a chemistry course, we do have that drawn out for the full 16 weeks. And no, that's not because it is harder. That is simply because students get most anxious about that course. And so we draw it out because you'll actually do the lab in your own home. And nope, nobody has blown up their house with the labs that they have done, but actually find this course pretty fun if they have to take it. So the only course, like I had mentioned, that will be a full 16 weeks if needed is your chemistry course. So each semester, I go through every person's plan of study or your advisor. For some of you, you will have myself, Dr. Carrie Stammer, as your advisor. Some of you may have somebody different within the program. Every semester, we go through the courses you have taken and we look at what you need to take, and we make sure that things are still falling in line with your plan of study. So each semester, when it gets close to time to register for your classes, we will send you a new updated plan of study. So your goal, all you need to do is look and compare those courses and verify that, yes, those are the ones that you are wanting to take. So every semester, you will actually know right where you are, where you're planning to graduate, and what courses you need to take and what ones to plan ahead for. But either myself or your advisor will register you for your courses when needed. So we will be in contact with you when that time comes. So things though to keep in mind as you are thinking about course schedules. Some of you want to go as fast as you can and take as many courses so you can get done in the least amount of time. Others of you are trying to juggle work and life and family and lots of other commitments, and one course at a time is about all you can take. And that is totally fine. We totally understand that everyone has a different path that they're currently on. Things we need you to remember though, in order to qualify for part-time financial aid, that means you must take one course every 8 weeks. So you must have a minimum of 6 credits per semester to qualify for financial aid. Also, you must get a C or higher in the courses here at Northwestern in order to pass the course and be able to move on. There is also that you don't see on this form specifically, but there is a 30-hour service mission requirement that you need to complete prior to graduation that is not in this course load. So that's just something to think about. There's a whole nother section within the orientation that talks about the service mission project and what that will look like. So just start thinking ahead of opportunities that you maybe have in your local community, or possibly even abroad, that you can tag on through Northwestern, to help meet those service requirement hours. So if at any point you have questions or concerns about your plan of study or how your courses are falling out, please don't hesitate to contact your advisor and they will help you work through those. This last form is available to you within the course. You may download it. This is what your advisor uses just to make sure that you have the courses that you need for graduation. If you would like to complete it yourself, you may download it and complete it. Otherwise, your advisor will do the work for you with knowing where you're at, the term that you took it, and the grade you got. So when it gets close to graduation, we definitely can verify you are exactly where you need to be with the courses you have. We also use this when we're revising your plan of study that we send to you every semester, just again to verify that nothing is getting missed and we'll have no surprises in the end. Again, here's my contact information. If you have any questions at all from your plan of study or your articulation agreements or anything that we have sent to you in regards to forms, please don't hesitate to let us know.